Okay, brothers. So now here we have to understand about the selling climax start and selling climax end.
Can I ask a question, teacher?
Yes, ask me, brother.
In class climax,
Yes, ask me.
when you are considering buying climax, the start of the buying climax, is there a specific type of candle, or we just look at the volume?
Yes. It's not a specific candle of the buying climax start. It can be any type of candle, but it will be green candle and the volume will increase ultra high from previous candles. Just we consider the volume increased and before the bearish trend is going to weak. Okay, because when we find the buying climax start, this trend must be weak. Then we found this type of buying climax start. Okay, if the sellers are getting weak and then we found the green candle with ultra high volume, that is a sign that market will continue. But these sellers must be weak. Okay, step by step I'm coming on the trends. So sometime you will find that this type of signal, but market will goes down. Why? The sellers are not still getting weak, they are still strong. But here you find this type of candle, this candle is a correction candle, that is not a buying climax start. Buying climax start appear when the sellers are getting weak. Okay, after first we analyze the sellers are weak or not. If the sellers are weak and we found the buying climax start, then it will go for up direction. Understand now? So I will give you, yes, I will give you about study about that, how we can understand that the sellers are getting weak or sellers are getting strong. So before starting the session, I told you about the sow and sauce concept. Okay, so sauce is a sign that sellers are getting weak. So if we found the sellers are getting weak and then we found a green candle and ultra high volume, that is a sign that market will continue more. Okay, here now we are finding the selling climax start. So must be buyers weak. Okay, must be buyers weak. Then the selling climax candle, it can be big candle, it can be small candle, it can be inverted shooting star, inverted hammer, this type of any candle you will find. But the volume must be ultra high volume. That is a selling climax start. Before selling climax, the buyers must be weak. How we can find the buyers are getting weak or sellers are getting weak? So the weak candles you will find in the downtrend, you will find this type of pin bars, this type of dojis, this type of candle. All the candles are small, but then we found a big red candle. That is a sign of weakness. That is not a sign of strength, that is a sign of weakness. After that, you will find the green candle with high volume. That is a sign market will continue more up. So these are the signs of the trend. Then how you to understand that trend is getting weak or trend is still strong. Okay, brother?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So on the distribution phase, after breaking the candle, you will find the red candle with ultra high volume. That is a sign that is a selling climax start. Now you can trade for the 5 minute, for the 1 minute, but it confirms you that now truly this trend is going to start. After some time, market goes down. Here we found red candle, but wick from the bottom. This wick must be 25 to 35% of the body, and volume must be increased from previous candles. That is a sign of selling climax end. From here, now I'm coming to the point. When to start the new trend? Because the two scenarios we understand. If sellers are getting weak, now when I found the buyers are getting strong, then I can place a trade. That will be my confirmed trade. So here I will found maybe any engulfing pattern, maybe any morning star, maybe any this type of piercing line pattern, maybe I found a hammer, maybe I found the inverted hammer. These are the greens. That is a sign that now market will change the direction. After bearish candle, you don't put the call option. You don't place the call option because we don't know the market there is a resistance level or not. If the resistance level is here, then sellers will continue till this line. After this resistance support line, then my buyers will continue. Immediately on these signals, buyers will not continue because buyers always start from the support level. Sellers always start from the resistance level. After signal, we care about the support and resistance. So where is the support? Where is the resistance? And when these candlestick stop on the support, then blindly you can place a trade. It will go in up direction. Okay, going to the chart. So we must find this type of candle. Which candle? This type of candle. Okay, to understand the selling climax end. This candle shows me that there is a rejection in this candle and volume increased from previous candle. Now I can understand that trend is going to change the direction. Okay, because this is a sign of selling climax end. That is a candle of selling climax start. How? This candle have a low volume. That candle is another candle, is an exhaustion candle. In the VSA, I will give you the understanding, but now we are talking on the selling climax start and end. After this candle, do you find the volume increased? That is a selling climax start. But in a few minutes, again we found this type of selling climax end because we are in the uptrend. In the uptrend, you will find the 4 to 5 red candles. But in the downtrend, you will find so many red candles. But in the uptrend, these whole area is a pullback or the corrective wave. In the corrective wave, you know that 3 to 4 or 5 candles we will find only. So that is a sign that market will change the direction. And you know that you are price action trader, that is impulsive, that is a corrective, again impulsive, corrective, corrective. Now the trend is going to change because it broke this level. So that is the corrective wave. In the corrective wave, you find so many anomalies from the sellers. And that is a sign that market will change the direction. Because you saw before there is an impulsive wave. After impulsive wave, we found the corrective wave. If in the corrective wave, you find the anomalies and you find the bearish stopping signals, the selling climax end is a bearish stopping signal. That is a sign that market will change the direction. Okay, here that is another signal. Okay, that is not a selling climax end, but that is another signal. We must need a candle of the rejection, and that is another signal. That is not a selling climax end. The selling climax end must be 25 to 35% rejection from the below side. Okay, there are 9 signals. From the 9 signals, that will be the one. Yes, but here it's not, volume is not increasing. It's not considering that as a selling climax end. So sometime you will find the selling climax, sometime you will find the another signals. Yes, now you find the selling climax end here in this trend. That is a signal. You find the wick, the volume is increasing so much high from the previous all candles. That is a sign that market will change the direction. From this candle, these sellers stop on the support level and how the buyers start. Okay. So selling climax, how it start. Now you understand about the selling climax, and when you practice on it, it will give you understanding. Here in this candle, the volume increased from previous all candles. What is that? That is the selling climax start. From this, now you can place a trade. It goes down. Here what you found, the selling climax end. The volume is ultra high from previous candle. There is a rejection, and then trend is going to change the direction. That is a perfect example of the selling climax start and selling climax end. Also that is a signal. Also that is a signal of the selling climax end. This signal also a selling climax end. Market going up, but there is a redistribution area. Before, when I start, I tell you, in the downtrend, you will find the redistribution, reaccumulation. Okay? Now I'm going to give you one idea.
Can I ask a question?
Yes,
Hello?
ask me.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
concerning this candle, I find the wick to be a little bit longer than when you compare with this one.
Okay, okay.
Can we also consider this to be selling climax end?
Yes, volume increasing. Volume increasing. That is a sign. And if we consider the previous candle is a larger spread, but the volume is low. And the next candle is a similar spread, volume is high. There is 2 anomalies also. Okay, so the end signal, selling climax end signal is a sign of anomaly. The end signal, buying climax end, is a sign of anomaly. The selling climax end is a sign of anomaly. And in the trend, if we find with the previous candle, that is another anomaly. It means 2 anomalies comes here. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Now I'm giving you one tip here, that how we can place a trade for 5 minutes or trade for the 3 minutes or trade for the 1 minute. Okay, it's not topic here, but I'm going to clear you. That is a price action topic. Okay, trend always go with the structure. Okay, trend always go with the structure. The structure is that first we find the reversal pattern, then we find the correct continuation candles, then we found the pullback. In the pullback, first we found the reversal. This reversal candle not work, we say that is a pullback. Okay, then we found the continuation candle. Again we found the reversal pattern, it's working. Now if we are in the uptrend, we going for the uptrend, first we found reversal pattern, again continuation candle, again pullback area, again continuation candle, again reversal pattern. Okay, when we come to the downtrend, first we found the reversal pattern, then we found the continuation candle, then we found the reversal pattern, pullback not working, again we found the continuation candle, and again we found the reversal pattern. That is the market structure. So trend is moving in this direction. Okay, now what is tip? The tip is that If the volume signal you found on the pullback area only trade for the 3 minute or 1 minute, it will not work for the 5 minute. Is the trend is starting from here, is that a pullback area? It will work for the 1 minute, 3 minute. It will not work for the 5 minute. Because there is a reversal pattern. These are the continuation candle. Now the reversal pattern not working. We can say that is a pullback. It's going down, continuation candle. Now again we found a reversal pattern here. The market is going in up direction. So identify this thing. It's very important. The market is moving in this type: reversal pattern, continuation candle, pullback, continuation candle, reversal pattern. Sometimes in the trend we find 1 time, 2 time, 3 time the pullback. It's depend upon the trend, how much trend is stronger. In the VSA language, if I say this reversal pattern is a accumulation, this continuation is a markup, this pullback area is a reaccumulation, this continuation candle is a markup, and this reversal pattern is a distribution area now. Am I right?
Yes.
On this screen, look at clearly. So that is a price action chart pattern structure. You find the reversal pattern, continuation candle, pullback, continuation candle, reversal pattern. In the VSA, on the reversal pattern, you find the accumulation, then markup, trend goes up, then you find the reaccumulation, then you find the markup, then there is a distribution. If I'm going this picture, is it clear here? The accumulation, reaccumulation, accumulation and markup. If accumulation is a reversal pattern, we can consider markup is a continuation candle, reaccumulation is a pullback, and markup again is a continuation, and distribution is a reversal pattern. I think now everyone is clear about the trend. If still there is a question, ask me. Noor, are you clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So here we understand about the buying climax start, buying climax start, buying climax end, selling climax start, selling climax end. The 4 signal in the VSA we understand now. The buying, yes.
Sorry, I asked question.
Yes.
How we can understand pullback differences between retracement? You said of power of trend. How we can understand power of trend?
Okay. So how we, your question is that how you can understand that that is a pullback. Okay. When the trend is going in up direction from the reversal pattern, here you find the trend start from the engulfing candle, any type of bullish pattern, trend start from here. Now slowly you will find that the candlestick going in up direction. Okay. Here on this candle trend stops. Here you find another engulfing candle, that is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. The concept of trading the bearish engulfing is that you must wait for the retracement candle. You must wait for the retracement candle. If the retracement candle appear and close on the level, then you can place a sell option. But instead of this retracement candle, it again create a bullish engulfing, then it trend will go continue. So what is that area? That is a pullback area. Because one
Yes.
pattern is not working, again another pattern creating, it will continue the trend. Now understand?
Yes, thank you.
Because every pattern, when pattern is appearing on the chart, we must wait for the retracement. Retracement is a confirmation. Retracement is what? Retracement is the confirmation of the pattern, that if that pattern is a true pattern in this area, that the confirmation from the retracement candle must confirm us that now this pattern is a true, go for the short or go for the long. Okay, so here we understand that this reversal pattern is not working, this one, and again we found another reversal pattern, then reject the previous reversal pattern, follow this new reversal pattern, it will continue the market. So this reversal pattern, if you find 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time in a row, if you wait for the retracement, if it working, you can understand that is a distribution, now the market will goes down. But if it is not working, again you find the reaccumulation, it will continue the trend. Okay, so here we understand about these things. The buying climax start, buying climax end. I'm going to show you some pictures. Some members, they work before when I teach them. Maybe it will help you. I just find to give you understanding. I will share with you these pictures also to understand the buying climax start and buying climax end. Okay, hey, there is not clear. In this picture, there are some clear things. So in these pictures, there are some mistakes in this picture. That is a student when he practice and show me these type of pictures. Now your work is that in the trend you find these type of pattern and highlight the pattern. That is a candle, high volume from previous all candles. That is a buying climax start, and that is a candle, the high volume buying climax end. But I give you that the candlestick must have this type of rejection. Okay, so I told you before, he is a student, he make mistakes in the analysis, but I give you idea that the buying climax end close on this type of candle. The rejection from the upper side must be 25 to 25% to 35%. Okay, I'm giving you these slides. These will work you, they will help you. Wait. Okay. Oh, where is shit? So this picture I will share with you that you can understand what is the buying climax end and buying climax start. Okay. In this I wrote down buying climax is a high spread bullish candle closing well off the high, having noticeable upward rejection wick projected on ultra high or above average high volume. High spread rejection, low volume anticipation. So is this statement and with this chart example. That is the example. Another. That is the example. Okay. This type of example I will give you. You will understand that that is the selling climax end and market is going in up direction. Okay. I will share with you these pictures, then you will understand more. Okay. Now practice on the buying climax start, buying climax end, selling climax start and selling climax end. Tomorrow I will add correction in within the trend, how we can understand that is a correction or that is a pullback. and some more concept I will add in the session. But now you just clear these things: accumulation and reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, buying climax start, buying climax end, selling climax start, selling climax end, and draw the chart. How? Draw the simple chart. Say that is a markdown, that is a accumulation, that is a markup. Again we found a reaccumulation, market goes up, markup. Again I found the distribution, here market, markdown. Again I found the redistribution, and then market goes down, markup. And again here I found the accumulation, and market goes up, markup. So this is very important. You must understand this movement of the market. So this chart, everybody must create this chart, okay? And then find out the buying climax start, buying climax end, selling climax start and selling climax end in the chart, that I can see how many people clear their concept about these all things. Then we can go forward. Okay, brothers?
Yes, sir.
Understand? If there is any question, then you can ask me again. Okay, so I'm going to finish this meeting here, and tomorrow on the same time we will again meet, and again I will share you so many information about the VSA. Thank you so much.